Hey, this is Ray with Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine. We're on board the Qwest M Class, and this is not like any other Qwest we've seen before. For starters, it's 8.5 foot wide. We just love the layout, and I'm going to give you my big three of the key features we love about this boat. First, we've got to hit on the versatility of this layout. Check this out. We've got armrests that easily change out. How about a table? Simple as that. Not only is the floor plan completely redesigned for 2023, but check out this helm console. It's new as well, and we love the dual Garmin gauges, the push buttons, wireless charging, as well as controls to your JL audio stereo. And finally, we love this tower. It's got these two large JL audio speakers, just that sporty look that helps tie in everything perfectly. Plenty of seating for everyone. More interchangeable backrests up here, armrests, everything you need. And it's powered with a Honda 250, so it has plenty of power as well. We enjoyed testing this boat. Of course, for the entire full review, be sure to check out our Shootout Boat Test issue. And for other videos, check back to p2bmagazine.com. We'll see you out on the water.